Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we are continuing to work out of the Drinking French book, David Leibovitz, and we are making the Champs-Élysées. I came into some Chartreuse, you know, depends on where you're from, how you would probably say this. This is green. So I was lucky enough to get a delivery from South Carolina. I live in North Carolina. It's pretty hard to find some different things. I don't know if you can find this here, but I certainly couldn't. South Carolina has different liquor laws. So we decided to go ahead and make this. There are a few other things we could make with this, but we're gonna make the Champs-Élysées today. And it has the Chartreuse and cognac in it. So we found some Hennessy. That's what we're gonna use. And lemon juice and simple syrup. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try not to forget anything this time. So again, I'm making a double batch because my husband likes this as well. You can make this with green or yellow. I don't know what the differences are really. So this is supposed to be very botanical, and we get a lot of peppery notes from it in this drink particularly. So I need to remember the lemon juice. And then I'm gonna finish up this simple syrup and see if I need any more. I do. Just half and half sugar and water. Really easy. This is a standard white sugar simple syrup. I really do want to make the Demerara simple syrup that he has in the book at some point, but okay. Got this new shaker. I have been criticized on my shaking technique, so I was working on it a little bit. We're gonna shake this until it's cold. Again, we're supposed to serve this in a chilled coupe glass. I do not have that. So we're gonna go with over ice in a highball glass. Very large ice cubes, at least it won't dilute it too much. Got a new shaker, really love it. A lot better than the two-piece glass and steel shakers. This one also is insulated stainless steel, so. If it's just you, you can make two and keep one for later and it'll stay cold. Not sponsored. Okay, so that's the drink, plus a twist of lemon zest just to garnish. And that's it. So I'm gonna give it a taste. Definitely has more of a spicy note. The other drink we made recently was the Fernet Branca, had the Fernet Branca in it. That's very different flavor-wise. This is, we get a peppery flavor from it. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Click the button down there and come back and watch me make something else.
I'm gonna leave all of this in.
I was in the middle of something. Shut your mouth.
Look, she saw it. Drink. It's a new game. We just invented it.